Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Fort Pierce Inlet to Melbourne Beach until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Vero Beach, moving north-northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include JC Beach, Indian River Shores, Vero Beach, Disney's Vero Beach Resort and Gifford. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.